Today I'm going to start on the projects of Learn Intermediate CSS module. The first project is Flexbox To-Do app. Number 1, start off by turning some of the elements into flex and incline flex containers. Turn elements with the class container and elements with the class square into flex containers. So we're going to go to style.css and find the element container. Display flex. We're going to find the class square and do the same thing. Next, turn elements with the class week and elements with the class reminders into inline flex container. So we're going to find the element week and display inline flex, and we're going to do the same thing for the element reminders. Number 2, the elements inside the new inline flex container should grow to fill the container. This is accomplished using the flex grow property. Elements with the class week will get a flex grow property of value 3. So let's find week and set flex grow to 3. And elements with the class reminders will get a flex grow property with the value of 2. Reminders, value of 2. Number 3, we want the flex items with the class week to be ordered vertically instead of horizontally. Inside the dot week rule set, add a flex direction property with the value that orders the items in a column. So in order to do that, we're going to add flex direction with the property of column. Number 4, the items with the class row should move to the next line when the container gets too small. Inside .row rule set, add a flex wrap property with the value that moves items to the next row while keeping their order intact. .row flex wrap value wrap. Number 5, we're going to use justify content to justify our flex elements. So inside .square rule set, add a justify content property with the value that centers the item in the container. So .square, there it is. We're going to add justify content. Number 5, the items with the class row also need some space. Inside .row rule set, add a justify content property with the value that adds space around. So checking the hint here, the value would be space around. So let's find .row and add justify content, space around. And add to the class square, justify content, center. And this is how our layout looks now. For number 6, we're going to set .row and .square elements to center. So we're going to use the property align items and the value of center. Let's hit save, and we're done adding the CSS properties.